Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the Cuban sandwich. Now, a little history on the Cuban sandwich. The sandwich originated among the Cuban workers in the cigar factories in the Key West, Florida, as early as 1831. Later, in 1886, Cuban exiles brought it to Tampa. The sandwich later became popular in the 40s in Miami. The sandwich is made with ham, roasted pork, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard. And as promised, the Cuban sandwich. Coming up. To begin, here we have a loaf of Cuban bread. We're gonna cut right about here. That looks like a pretty good size. And then we cut the tip of bread. You don't have to, but this is how typically the Cuban sandwich are done. Cut it in half. Try to cut it as even as you can. And we are spreading yellow mustard on both sides. Use as little or as much as you like. There's really no measurement for this recipe. Spread it out evenly. I think that was pretty good. A couple of layers of smoked ham. I think that's a good amount. Now, the most important item in the Cubano is the roast pork. I am using pernil. I will have the link in the description box down below on how to make the roast pork. This is the key ingredient of how to make the Cubano taste fantastic. I'm going to add a generous portion of my roast pork recipe. Do not forget to check out my pernil recipe so you can make this amazing Cubano. Make sure to warm up the pork before placing it in the sandwich, followed by a few slices of Swiss cheese. And last but not least, a few slices of dill pickle. On a panini maker or a plancha, we're going to add a little bit of butter and keep the heat on medium heat. Place the Cubano right in the center. The butter is going to make it extra crispy. On the top, we're going to add a little bit of butter as well. We want it to be crispy on top and bottom. We close the plancha on medium heat and wait a few minutes. Four minutes later, and the Cubano is done. You know what time it is. It's serving time! Now we cut the Cubano diagonal. And the best part about this is that now you get to tear it apart. Have you ever had a Cuban sandwich before? Please let me know in the description box down below. Let's give it a try. I'm going to tear it up. Look at that crispy bread. It's all goodness inside. You know you want some? I know I do. Just amazing. And there you guys have it. Cuban sandwich. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And I think YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.